recording?
I hope so. Yeah.
The focus good?
Mm-hmm.
Works?
Of course.
Okay. I can't remember the last time I made a coilover install video. Probably September when I put the BCs on the F30, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing my MANKIIND Flex Z coilovers for the BRZ. There is a huge bee. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Relax. Tony B.
I can't stand bees.
Get
What if
off
it's
of
the
me.
Japanese hornet? Yo, that shit is gigantic, bruh.
Oh, that thing. That's pretty big. Whatever. Continue.
Okay, anyway, I got these used off of Facebook Marketplace from some dude in Massachusetts. So, apparently they have 6,000 miles on them. They kind of do look like they have very low mileage because all the ones I saw on Marketplace used were like really rusty up here and stuff. So these I think they probably do have like really low mileage. So in today's video, there's a lot of installation tutorials on how to install these. So today we're just gonna be vlogging me installing these. And the thing about this video that's gonna be different is because Mike isn't really gonna be helping me that much. We're gonna, oh my god, that shit is gigantic, bro. No homo.
That's what she said.
Wow, thanks. So in today's video, I'm gonna be installing these. We're gonna see how long it takes. Right now, the time, let's see what time is it? It's 4:12, all right? It's 4:12 right now. So we're gonna see how long this takes. I think we'll be done by 8 o'clock. Right?
That late?
I mean, it's coilovers. You have to take every single one out. I think it's gonna take me like 4 hours to do it. So you guys are gonna watch this with me and hopefully I can finish in 4 hours. We'll see. Or we're probably gonna need Mike's help. Who knows? He's probably not gonna help me though because I told him I'm gonna do it myself. So we'll see. It's like a super nice warm day out today, so I'm glad I can knock this out with good weather. Obviously, this is gonna be 10 times easier for me because I have a lift, thanks to Mike. So obviously to start things off, we just have to loosen these 3 bolts, and then obviously also, before you do that actually, take the wheel off. And for the back, you have to unscrew the lower strut and unscrew the control arm so it comes down also from the spindle, so then you can lower it, move the new strut off, and then put the new strut in. It's all one piece all around, so these are the rears right here. Like unlike BMWs where it's been like a strut is separate and the spring is separate, it's all one piece all around, like the fronts, how they are on most BMWs. So should be pretty easy, nothing crazy, but for the most part, obviously, like I said, there's a lot of installation tutorials on the internet for these. So I'm just gonna quickly time lapse this whole thing and see how this comes out. I'm really hyped to see how this is gonna turn out because this car, the stock suspension is good. It's just really like, I don't know if it's my tires, but I just don't like the way it rides for some reason. Body roll wise, it's not bad. It's really good out the box. Like it's not bad at all, I'm not gonna lie, but for the most part, it's like. Also, I almost forgot to mention, before when we tried to do the install, we actually did try to do this install before, but my end link was seized and it wasn't coming out. And so I bought new end links, so that's kind of what delayed the install as well. And also because of the whole coronavirus stuff, it's been kind of hard to try to get you know, this install process going. And then he had his E36 on the lift as well, so it's just been crazy time wise. So yeah, but now we got time today, so let me get this stuff out and time lapse this shit.
Shake it around town.
Like in
The bowl.
Shake it around town.
like that.
You're trying to take it out, no?
Yeah.
Why would you press it in?
Okay, why'd you say push? You mean pull?
Push out.
So from here.
Yes.
Oh fuck.
Wow.
That hurted.
Why are you so on the repeat, dude? Come on now.
Fucking come out, you thought. Screwdriver.
That's when you show this baby coming out. Come out, you
I
thought.
got it. I got it. Hey, that was mean. If I have a daughter, I'm gonna remember.
Okay, what do you want? Burger King? What from Burger King?
Wait, how are you doing this?
How you think?
Uber Eats?
Yeah.
Bro, I don't trust them coronavirus Eats.
Yeah, get here. This is New Jersey. This is clean, fresh.
Ah!
Yeah, that happens.
I'm gonna get lazy! This is 2020, bro. You can like whatever the fuck you want.
I would like for you to not take 5 hours for coilover.
Bro, let me live.
I feel uncomfortable like when I see you struggling, but I want you to struggle.
No, yeah,
So
please
you
don't
laugh.
help me, please.
But I don't want you to be here till 12.
What does that do for you?
What?
Do you need the lift?
No, like it just hurts me inside.
Okay.
It's okay, just let me deal. Trust me, if I ask you for help, then help.
Why is this laying again?
I don't know, can you go on my phone? Go on my phone, it's in my passenger seat.
The password is 0539.
Why do you remember that? You're so weird. This guy remembers my passcode. pull up the holes.
It's literally 2 songs.
Yeah, no, go back. Go back. There, go back. Got it? You see all the musics? Just pick one of the musics, just not the brown musics. Not the Punjabi musics. The ding-a-ding-a-ding-a. Don't do that, okay? What hoes are calling you? Oh. His mom. There we go. So basically, I'm unscrewing the end link and the bolt is going over the part that's rusty, so it's like it's super loose, and out of nowhere it gets really hard to take off because of the rust. So we're almost there. This is like a shoulder workout, bicep workout. We got it out, boys and girls. So like I said, we had to get a new one of this because it's seized on the top. So we don't have to take the top off because it's attached to the strut, and right now all that's left is unscrewing the 3 bolts up top. So all that's left is unscrewing the 3 bolts on the top, and then we can take the strut out and then get the coilover in. So let me disconnect this vice grip.
Got copyright strike.
All right, so here is the stock piece of crap strut. It actually feels lighter than the TNs, which is weird. Let me go grab them and compare really fast.
China.
Taiwanese, buddy, not China. All right, get your facts straight, bud.
Oh yeah, whatever.
There's a difference. All right, yeah, these are by far heavier. 100%, these are heavier. Actually, I don't know, you come do it. I know you don't want to get your hands dirty.
Man's got a vice grip on that one too.
Oh yeah, that was this
And
one.
a control arm. What is this?
Which one's heavier?
Let go.
Well, that one has a whole ass vice grip on it.
To me, they're like the same. I don't know.
So maybe, I don't know, maybe this one might be lighter, who knows? Who cares? All right, ow, my leg hurts. So now I'm just gonna take off this clip that holds the brake pad wear sensor, and just plug everything up with the new TNs, and then line it up and screw everything back and just do the reverse operation of what we just did for the front. So give me a sec. All right guys, so we ran into a little hiccup. For whatever reason, the new end link, it's too short, like it won't reach this right here. So basically what we're gonna do is just start on the other side, and hopefully when we unscrew the old end link on the other side, this will probably, you know, give us a little bit more room to work with so we can expand it and make this work. If not, we're probably just gonna have to drive home without an end link, and that's dangerous, and we don't wanna do that. So I'm just gonna quickly take the wheel off and everything on the other side, and then see if we can make any progress with that, and then I can start filming the back, and then we can see how much this actually drops. Look, I got dust in my eyes. Yo, my hair looks crazy, right? Don't front. Yo, so remember how I told you guys how this was not long enough for this end link? Well, that was because the other side was still on, but we can actually adjust it and move it up and whatnot. So that actually helps a lot. So since we have that now, so now that we can do that, that obviously means that I don't have to drive without end links. So I'm almost done doing the other side, and a quick time update.
Oh no.
It's 7:11. So I have 50 minutes to do the back. When did we start? 4:16?
412.
Why do you remember that? You're so weird.
I like numbers, guy.
6 hours later.
It is now 8:52. And I got the fronts done. We got the control arms. We got the end links on both sides. Come Pat, show them the close up. So everything is good, everything is on and tight. I got the brake pad wear sensor clipped on, all this tightened up. The new end link is right here, it's all good. All these are tightened up, so the front is done. We believe the fronts are completely maxed out, but I don't know, we tightened these too. Obviously we have more adjustment for camber in the front, but it is what it is. I'm not too worried about that until once I get tires. Same for this side, I literally just finished the front, and same thing, everything's tightened up and good. And these guys decided to start the back because I was taking far too long. And yeah, I don't know what progress you guys have made here, but now we're gonna
here
start.
for 15 minutes and that side is out.
Okay, well, you want to show that, Pat?
Yeah, my work.
Yes, it took me.
Mr. Mechanic.
It took me 5 hours to do 2 front. Oh!
Fuck.
It took me 5 hours to do the front, while these guys pretty much are halfway done with the back in like 30 minutes. So, whatever, man. Imagine if I didn't have this lift. How long I would have taken?
A week?
Probably. Probably. All right, we're gonna do the back now, so I'll update you guys in a bit, and then we can get you guys before and after shots. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the bottom. I'm saying to cut the whole carpet part where the adjustment is for the top for the rebound dampening, but Mike wants to cut actual holes to make it look nice and proper. I don't know. These OEM Plus boys. So there you go. You can do that if you'd like, because that's one bad thing about these TNs, where the adjustment knob sits higher than where it would if it was the stock struts. So what you can do is actually do what Mike did and cut here, so then it comes out and it doesn't look as ratchet. I was saying to just cut the whole thing, but he actually went ahead and did it, so it's like, you know, a little nicer. So that is
me.
Bro, I have no other way to reach over and show. What if I pants you right now?
You'd like that, wouldn't you?
Man, you wouldn't even care. You just continue on with your life. Like unfazed. Okay. All right, so we are completely done with the job. Put all the tires, wheels back on. The entire job is finished, and now my allergies are going crazy. My eyes are super red. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're crazy. And so basically we're done. I'm gonna show you guys some before and afters, obviously, once we lower the car. So first, we're just gonna lower the car, see how much we got low. Let's see it. You wanna do the honors, Mike?
No.
Jesus.
Look at the. Make it chill. Ooh. Yeah, that was a nice drop, actually. What's with it?
Mad tough.
Yeah, the back's tugging kind of hard, no?
Jesus.
OD?
I mean, like, in-wise, like, spacer.
I mean, it's whatever. I'm getting new wheels extremely soon, so I'm gonna have to adjust that again. It's also, since you do, once you install coilovers, you should get an alignment after the fact. But I don't know how we're gonna get this car off the lift. And I'm gonna show you guys some before and afters. As you can see,
It's still sitting on the lift.
It is?
This is potentially lower than this.
Okay, so what do you want to do? Put it on bricks?
Boy.
Okay, let's see the outcome.
I'm scared.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Wow, I was not expecting them to drop that much, but you know what? Not bad. It still looks cool. The back is a little OD for me. I'm not gonna lie. Show that angle of the back. That looks great. Holy shit! What the hell? Why is it tucking so hard? That's crazy.
I mean, you still have clearance.
Yeah, for sure. It's just like once I get new wheels, I'm gonna have to increase the back a little. I didn't expect the back to drop that much. Not responsible.
Yeah.
That's pretty freaking low. Holy shit. I don't know why. Once it backed out, I was like, oh shit. Actually, crap. Damn, I'm so fired. Yo, it looks so fired from here. Yo, I did not expect them to drop this much. That actually looks crazy. That actually looks pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Holy shit. What do you think, Pat?
It's fucking too low.
Yo, live, say hi to the vlog. Vlog is ongoing right now. My cousin's going crazy. Holy shit. How do you feel getting out of it? Holy shit.
Yo, finish it or what?
Oh, I guess I'll just finish the vlog now. So as you guys can see, it lowered kind of a huge amount. Like nothing, I was not expecting it to be this much, but when I get wheels and tires, then we test fit, I'll adjust then, and then when I get a wheel alignment, obviously then I'll be able to fully be able to see what I'm working with here. Obviously I need to get an alignment too eventually, but for the most part, I really like the way it's sitting. As you guys can see, it kind of looks like it's on bags, right? If it was just a little bit lower, it looked like it's on bags, low key. But obviously it's tucking because of the stock wheels. Once I get new wheels, I'll have to adjust, like I said. It's too dark right outside right now to like give you guys like a whole like review of me driving and how it feels and like see how it like body roll if it got better and stuff. So in the next later on video, after you know having it for a couple days as well, I'll be able to give you guys like a better opinion on the TNs compared to like all the other coilovers I've had in my past. But for the most part, I'm really excited. I'll give you guys that video on like how I feel about them and how they are in a whole review later down the road. Right now my allergies are killing me, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.